Wealth inequality is a growing problem in our world today. With the rich getting richer while the poor struggling to make ends meet, there are many factors that contribute to this trend. This includes access to education, job opportunities, and economic policies. However, one major factor that often goes overlooked is the accumulation of assets. If you're new to this channel, hello and welcome. My name is Brian, and in this video, we will be discussing the 10 assets that are making the rich richer and how they can contribute to this growing inequality. If this is something that you have been curious about, then make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. And before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's dive in deeper. Number 1. Real estate. Real estate is one of the most popular assets among the rich. Owning multiple properties such as rental units or vacation homes can provide a steady stream of passive income as they appreciate in value over time. Additionally, real estate is often used as collateral for loans and other investments, allowing the wealthy to leverage their assets even further. Number 2. Stocks. Investing in stocks is another popular way for the rich to grow their wealth. Stocks represent ownership in a company, and they can provide dividends, capital gains, and other benefits to investors. Many wealthy individuals have teams of financial advisors and analysts to help them make informed investment decisions. Number 3. Business ownership. Owning a successful business is a key asset for many wealthy individuals. It provides them with a source of income as well as the ability to create jobs and influence the economy. Many successful entrepreneurs also reinvest their profits into their businesses, allowing them to grow and expand even further. Number 4. Intellectual property. Intellectual property such as patents, copyrights, and trademarks can provide a significant source of income for those who own them. Many wealthy individuals and companies invest heavily in research and development to create innovative products and services that can be patented and monetized. Number 5. Arts and collectibles. Collecting art and other rare items can be a lucrative asset for the wealthy. High-end art pieces can appreciate in value significantly over time, and rare collectibles can be sold for exorbitant prices at auctions and other events. Number 6. Luxury goods. Owning luxury goods such as high-end cars, watches, and jewelry can be a status symbol for the wealthy. Many of these items also hold their value well, making them a potential investment as well as a source of pleasure. Number 7. Cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum has become increasingly popular in recent years as a way to invest and grow wealth. While they are still highly volatile and risky investments, many wealthy individuals have taken advantage of their potential for high returns. Number 8. Private equity. Private equity investments, which involve investing in privately held companies, can provide high returns for those with the knowledge and resources to invest successfully. These investments are often reserved for accredited investors with high net worths. Number 9. Hedge funds. Hedge funds are similar to mutual funds but are only open to accredited investors due to their high minimum investment requirements. They use complex strategies to generate high returns, but also come with significant risk. Finally, in at number 10, philanthropic ventures. While not traditionally seen as an asset, philanthropic ventures can actually provide significant benefits to the wealthy. Donating to charity not only helps those in need, but it also provides tax benefits and can improve one's public image. So in conclusion, the accumulation of assets is a major factor in the growing wealth inequality that we see today. By understanding the assets that are making the rich richer, we can begin to address this problem and work towards a more equitable society. While some of these assets may be out of reach for the average person, it is important to remember that there are many ways to build wealth and improve one's financial situation. And these may be some that could help you take the leap from poor to rich. So those were the most popular assets that are making the rich richer. If you find this video interesting, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also go the extra mile of ringing that notification bell and you will be notified with each new knowledgeable and interesting videos just like this one. Good luck on your finances and thank you for watching.